I'm going to show you how I use the multiplication facts assessment to determine where my students are going to start their multiplication fact practice. So on the assessment, what you're going to have is a row of each individual multiplication fact. So it starts with 2, 10, 5, 4, and so on. And this is the order that you're going to teach the facts in. And so that's why I have it in this order. So what I do is I give students this sheet of paper. And one thing to note as well, so each row, each fact has that individual fact family multiplied by 1 through 9, but it is in a randomized order. So it's not just times 1 times 2. You can see the 2's go 1, 4, 3, and then it's randomized throughout the assessment. So what I do is give my students this worksheet, the assessment, and a blank piece of paper. So I have them cover everything but the first row. I'm going to have them have a pencil ready, and I'm going to give them 30 seconds per row. That's about 3 seconds per problem, which we're really looking for that speed and automaticity to help them with other areas of math. So I choose to do it in 30 seconds. If you wanted to bump it up to 5 seconds per problem, you could do that as well. So I'm going to time them for 30 seconds. I'm going to say ready, set, go. They're going to do that row. They're going to put their pencil down. And I'm going to say move down 1 row, go to your 10s. Now they're doing their 10s. I time them for 30 seconds. And we just keep going until we've gone all the way down the entire sheet. When I'm looking at their assessment, for the most part, I want them to have probably at least 8 of the 9 problems on each row. This is where you're going to need to use your professional judgment and decide, if it's something that they missed, why did they miss it? Did they just not have time? Do they need just more speed? Is it a fact that they're going to hit on a different fact family? So use your professional judgment whether or not you want to say they're proficient with that level. But I'm going to go through and just determine which rows of facts they need continued work on. And then I'm going to go to my master tracker spreadsheet and check off the fact families that they already have completed and mastered.